Okay, I had to redo this because when connecting the monopod with this, there's no sound sa video. Katie, come. Happy birthday, baby. Come on. Your family will see this. Hey, your aunties.
Ow!
Uh, happy
Yeah.
birthday
Yay!
again.
Yay!
Hi, ate. Now we're just gonna show I'm using the monopod. There, finally it's sunny. You can see the lake, Taal Lake and Taal Volcano. I can zoom it in a while, but I'm just showing that it's not foggy anymore. Sunny. Everyone was happy. We found out there's no more fog, no more rain. So cool. So Sky Ranch is somewhere over there, quite near. Sunny.
Mom, you're
Oh,
gonna ruin my birthday with that singing voice.
oh, I'm gonna zoom it. Show the lake, Taal Volcano.